Leesburg traffic, Cessna 172 Delta Romeo, taking off runway 35 and departing to the west-northwest, Leesburg.
All right, haven't heard anybody.
Good, you already made the call, so you got to go and do it.
Okay. Nobody on final. Yeah, I guess I should stop, look, then call.
Yeah.
So it's not a severe crosswind as yesterday, but so it shouldn't take as much bank once we take off.
Okay.
All right, heels to the floor, full power. Temperature and pressure are in the green, airspeed's alive. .55, rotate.
Keep pitching up, keep pitching up. Hold that right rudder, left aileron. Right rudder, left aileron. Woo!
Okay, we'll start our turn.
Okay, good. Why don't you track the VOR inbound?
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, good. What do you want to do with your power?
I'm just waiting to get to 1300, then I'll pull back a little bit.
Okay, good.